Kowalski, signal the jets to meet us at the rendezvous point with the superplane. Hotel Ambassador. Let's move it. Huh?
Guys, we got a tail.
Paparazzi! Pedal to the metal, Private. Don't take any photos, please. Bye. Here I am. No more pictures! Medic! ETA to rendezvous point.
2 minutes, 37 seconds, sir.
Man, your battle station.
Hey, wait! Nobody's at the wheel! Get back there! Blame him on the driver! There's no driver!
Don't you sit, Dancy Pants. Grab the wheel.
Are you kidding? I don't drive, I'm a New Yorker! Move over, Miss Daisy! What are you doing? Zebras can't drive! Only penguins and people can drive! What do all these buttons do?
Nice one, Stripe.
Come on, Bloodshot!
Crazy woman gaining!
Our Omega 3 slick will take him down. Private, activate. She's good. Kowalski, intel.
Sir, we have a serious problem. Capitan Chantal Dubois, Monaco Animal Control. Perfect case record.
You're going the wrong way, Marty!
Just call me Mario Andretti.
No, you're Suckio Andretti!
Stop backseat driving.
I'm passenger seat driving and I want the wheel! Give me the wheel!
It's not a wheel, it's my baby.
The hoofs aren't meant to be on a wheel!
Hey, too late for you to
Don't
drive.
look at me! Don't look at me when we argue! Look at the road!
Be cool, be cool. Hi, officer. Is there a problem?
Hi. Oh! Watch out!
We need more power. Time to fire up Kowalski's nuclear reactor.
That's a nuclear reactor?
Nuclear.
She's on the
But
roof!
sir, it's not ready. The control rods will have to be calibrated, and don't even ask me about the uranium-238 blanket.
Okay.
Marty, we lost her! Maybe you can slow down now!
I can't. There's no brakes.
No brakes. No way to commit, soldier.
If a tree falls in the woods, and then gets in the woods, and then gets sprinkle blasted to bits, did it ever really exist? Pinky, I love your riddles, but great!
Let's get out of here!
Everybody go.
Oh!